Hello there, welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a simple tip on how you can restore your semantic model created on cloud and edited on cloud to the last known successful deployment. Now, all you need to do is to look out for the semantic model within your Fabric workspace and select on the three dots, and on the list, select your version history. Now, once that's selected, you'll see a list of previously saved a version of your semantic model, including your current version. And if there's a problem with your current version and you want to restore to the last known successful saved version, for example, in this case, the second on the list down there, you select the three dots, as you can see, and click on restore. And all you need to do is to click yes to restore. And there's a note there that this process may take some time and you won't be able to edit the model until it's done. And just to keep notes very clearly, this version restore or version history restore is only available for semantic models that are created or edited online. If you create your model on a Power BI desktop, you won't be able to see the version history. Something to take note. Well, if you find this video helpful, click on the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.